Hi everyone, I'm Alex Feisley back again, and we are on the last video of our Getting Started series. And for this one, we're just going to be talking a little bit about analytics and auditing inside of Netmaker. So for this, you're just going to go ahead and go to your analytics pane, and this immediately gives you access to information about your networks. So here on the first page, you can see all of your devices, and what you get with that is basically their connectivity status, first of all, to other devices in the network. So whether that connection is currently live or something's going wrong there and it's not connecting. You can see how much data was sent between the devices, and you can check the uptime of those connections. So super useful for monitoring your network. You can get some basic network info. You got a nice graph of where all of your devices are. This is new as of 1.0. You can also look at the legacy graph here, which gives you a bit more information about which devices are connecting to what other devices. And then lastly, we have the activity page, which is useful for auditing. So you can see what created what when, who connected when. So mostly it's what actions were performed on the platform and also who connected to the network at any point in time. And that is basically it. One other thing you might want to note is you can export your analytics to Prometheus. So for that, you can check our docs. We also have a default Grafana dashboard there with the metrics exporter. But yeah, so if you want to do some more advanced monitoring, you can take all this data, export it via Prometheus. This is configured only on the server side. So again, check the docs for that. But yeah, that allows you to perform some more advanced activities. And that's basically it. That wraps up our Getting Started tutorial series. We'll be creating some more advanced tutorials on how to do things like key management, low-level node configuration for managing your devices, which you can see here, some troubleshooting help, and covering specific use cases in the future as well. So keep a lookout for those, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial series. Have a good one.